Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add videos to your Canva design in Canva. So there are two ways how to go about doing this. I'm going to go through the basics here and show you how you can upload a video and as well how you can find videos in Canva, how you can just simply add them to your timeline here or onto your canvas. So let's get started with uploading. You want to look on the left side and you'll find upload. You click on upload and here you'll have the option to choose to upload a file. Now, these are images. You can switch to the video tab and you will see if you have any video uploaded there. Now, if you want to upload a video, just simply go ahead and click on upload file and you can find a video on your computer that you can easily select from. Now, once you find a video on your computer that you want to upload, just simply select the video and click on open and it's going to start to upload the video right here. And as you can see right here, I have two videos and I can go ahead and use these videos. Other ways, and if you want to add a video onto your timeline, you can just simply drag it onto the canvas right here, or you can drag it onto the timeline and let it go, whichever option you choose. And that's how you can add a video to your timeline. Now, if you're not using videos that you upload, you can go ahead and you can find videos on the left side by finding videos. And here you can just search for whatever video you want. So let's say I want to search for nature. I can type that in, I can find a video, and again, you do the same thing. You drag it either onto your timeline or you drag it onto the canvas here, and it's going to add the video as well. And so those are two ways how you can go ahead and basically start with the video design, add videos into your timeline, and you can start with editing them. So that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.